If you want to improve sound quality on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we can open settings on our phone. Over here we're gonna proceed to sound and vibration, and then in here if you scroll down you should be able to find sound quality and effects. The first thing that you can do is you can try to use Dolby Atmos, which is an additional feature and that in theory should improve the quality of audio on your phone. There are also some additional profiles or settings that you can choose, whichever you want to use. We can also see a little description of what is the profile for, but I think the names of them are pretty straightforward as well. And most likely you want to stick with the auto options so the phone can switch between these profiles to choose the most suitable one. But in addition to that we have the equalizer, which is a tool that allows you to make certain frequencies louder or turn them down a little bit and adjust it to your own needs. Of course, you don't have to worry about not knowing anything about audio equalizer. If you don't know anything about it, you can use these presets over here. So what you can do is you can simply play a song, for example, something like I don't know, maybe audio, maybe play some video or anything. Like start playing something. And then over here in these settings, you should be able to go through all of these different EQ profiles, and then you can figure out on the spot which one you like the most, and then you can stick with it. Of course, on the other hand, if you know what these frequencies do, if you know how to navigate with them, you can adjust these frequencies by yourself. You can adjust the loudness of them pretty easily, and you can create your own custom profile. So be sure to check that out. And of course, we also have the loudness normalization, which prevents sounds from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while you play some songs or maybe watch videos and stuff. So be sure to use that as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.